Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and subscribers. This is Mehek, and today I come with a new video. And today's video is especially designed for the teachers, and I want to convey some of my messages to the teachers. So I thought that it is a better way to make a video and deliver my messages to them. So first of all, I want to know that how the online classes of the teachers are going on. They are performing very well, teachers, and I know the hard work and the dedication they are doing for the online classes. So the teachers that nowadays the students are losing the interest, as I told you in the previous video also. But this is my personal observation. So the students are losing the interest in the studies due to the classes, because they are not getting the offline classes, they are not going to the schools, and they are just sitting in their homes, and they are lacking concentration in the studies. So teachers, on the part of the teachers, what the teachers can do to build up their interest and make the study very interesting for them. So here in this video I am going to describe you some of the tips and the tricks for the teachers that they can make the study more interesting for the students. So first one is that give some moral lecture to the students firstly for 10 to 15 minutes only. So whenever you are started the online classes on any of the application, just give some moral values and ethical values to the students, because I thought that the teachers are the nation builders. Apart from providing the academic knowledge to the students, they are also very helpful in building the character of the students and making them a good human beings. So give them moral lesson to the students, and give them some suggestion that what they will get, what incentives they will get after the completion of their studies. So this is the first step that the teachers can use for building up the interest level of the students. So the second tip that I want to give to the teachers is that organize some of the fun activities also. Like undoubtedly in the offline classes, when the students are getting the classes in the schools, teachers are organizing some of the fun activities in the classes, but nowadays it's difficult to organize fun activities during the online classes. But I thought that when you arrange fun activities for a 1 day or a 2 days for the students, they will feel more encouraged and their interest level will be increased. And the fun activities, for example, you can organize fun activities related to their subject also. If your subject is economics, organize the quiz competition in a very funnier way. Okay, organize the quiz competition in a very funny way for the students, and in this way they can also get some knowledge about the concepts, and there is a concept clarity for the students, and they will also participate in these activities and feel more encouraged. And the third way that the teachers use for building up the interest level of the students is that give them a break for 10 minutes after the completion of the concept. For example, if there is a one concept and you have completed that concept, give them 5 minutes break and ask them that revise it again. Okay, so revise. After the revision, students think that if there is any doubt, they can ask from the teacher and they can learn it properly. So it is very important that it is important for the interactive conversation, that the interactive classroom, it is very important that the students must get some of the time for the revision also. If they are not getting, they can ask from the teachers that this is a problem and here can solve it. So you can give some time to the students also for their doubt sessions, and it is the best way for encouraging them towards the studies. And the last tip and the trick that I want to give to the teachers is that give some positive feedback to the students. Like students are always feel better when they get the positive feedback from their teachers, and it is not important for the teachers that they should always praise to the students. Whenever they are committed the mistakes, whenever the students are doing any mistakes, you should also criticize them, but teachers should be like that. They should give the praiseworthy compliments to the students, and such that they can say like this: well done, keep going, you are doing your best, you will get the good marks in the final examination. So these are the praiseworthy compliments the teachers should give to their students in order to build up their motivation level and also the interest in their studies. So I think that these are some of the measures and the tips that the teachers use for encouraging the students in their studies. So hope that all the teachers and the students and even my viewers and the subscribers will like this video and subscribe my channel, share it with others. Thank you.